Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Tato Lenza. I'll be starting a YouTube channel about my journey into mathematical science and why I chose mathematical science. Importantly, did I qualify for other courses that are higher than that, or did I choose this thing just for bridging, or if I liked it? I'm gonna talk about those kind of things, right? Firstly, I'd say that okay, yes, I chose mathematical science because it wasn't really the first choice that I wanted to do, right? In my mind as a child, I always had that thing of like, you know what, I really need to strive for big things. You know, growing up, we are only educated about being a doctor, maybe a nurse, maybe like those kind of things, right? So in my childhood, I used to be this student who is not, probably I'd say, not smart enough. You get what I'm saying? So by the time I realized that I was smart enough to achieve anything that I wanna achieve, I knew my passion is all in maths, right? So I wanted to become an actuary, actually become an actuarial science, go to the big cities there by Joburg, maybe Pretoria, get what I'm saying, maybe Cape Town, by the way. But I wasn't really interested into Cape Town because I really hated the mountains. I grew up in the mountains. I wanted you get what I'm saying, the big cities to enjoy the big life. So I applied, even for medicine, by the way. I really applied. When I got accepted by medicine, not by medicine, I mean when I got accepted, like after the results, I got accepted for nursing, maths. Like maths, there were a lot of courses there. I accepted for computer sciences, mathematical sciences, vendor, what was that, applied maths, and I don't know, something of businesses like that. So after I was accepted for that, it was a lot, but let me just read the ones that I really want to do. I had pharmacy, by the way, health sciences. I had those kind of, you get what I'm saying, offers that any person will get. So I was stuck between choosing between like what was that, actual science and mathematical science. But one thing for sure that I knew is that I don't want to go to University of Free State, even if I know that choosing a course is bigger than choosing a varsity. But I couldn't study at UFS, guys, knowing that it was close to home. And my only dream was to get out of Free State and go see, you know, how other things are done in like Langreamos. So, guys, it was really, I don't know, some experience to, you get what I'm saying. So I chose mathematical science in Sefako Makgatho because it was so broad. So after choosing Sefako Makgatho Health Sciences University to study mathematical science, which by the way I was also accepted there in the same university, was it nursing? I'm not sure. So after I got accepted there, I chose Sefako Makgatho because that's when I saw mathematical science is broad. I can choose what I want to major in. Probably, I don't know what, like at that time after matric, I was so confused that what should I major in, because I really had a lot in my mind, you get what I'm saying. I was accepted by mathematical science in two institutions only, like the mathematical science, as in like not other universities was like maths and what, you get what I'm saying, applied maths and what, computer science and what. So I didn't really like have a, like I really thought about it, what I wanna major in, like, but I didn't know at that time. So I knew Sefako Makgatho is gonna be good in, like, because I really can choose my majors, right? Like the one that I see that I'm interested in. So instead of going to Cape Town, because I was accepted not in Cape Town, it was Cape Peninsula. Then I saw, no, this thing is diploma course. I can't go to a diploma course while I passed code, right? So I went to Sefako Makgatho, and then I can say I'm currently on my second year. So I can say my first year was kind of an experience. Like everything was easy, bruh. I won't lie and say everything was difficult. Everything was easy compared to what I was expecting. I think my expectations was like varsity is difficult, especially in courses like mathematical science, because it's maths. Maths is easy, but we know in varsity it can be a different story, right? So I did calculus, I did applied mathematics, I did physics, I did computer science, I did what's that, statistics. Like I did all those kind of maths that are there, you get what I'm saying. So The things that were challenging me in my first year was only computer science second semester. Physical science was really clapping. Like, it was that real module that was like I underestimated, and it was really clapping me. But statistics was behaving. It was like probability, and probability was like high. They didn't add a lot. You get what I'm saying? They were adding the trimmed mean, maybe what binomial probabilities, and they were really so cool, honestly, I'd say. The real problem started when I was doing second year, this year, first semester. I really had a tough time, like applied mathematics. And by the way, I dropped computer sciences. Yeah, I get what I'm saying. So I really had a problem when I didn't like computer, by the way. I thought I'm gonna like it. I mean, I'm not gonna do something because it has a job while I don't like that thing. I'm not gonna do. That's one thing about me. I'm not gonna do something that I don't like. So I did computer. I did applied math second year first semester. It was really challenging. It was ODEs, like ordinary partial differentiations, and those stuffs, Laplace transformation. You get what I'm saying? So they were really challenging, honestly, I'd say. Like, they were really challenging. Advanced calculus, yo, it really showed me flames, honestly. I didn't expect that, bro. Like, I really didn't expect that. Statistics, theory of distribution, bruh. That one was like a horror movie. Like, I was seeing horrors first semester. I really survived by, I don't know how though. And honestly, I was doing 3 modules. Ne? I was doing 3 modules, as in, like, it was statistics, maths, and applied. So I got 2 distinctions. I won't say which ones. I got 2 distinctions. Actually, I can say it was calculus and advanced calculus. I got a distinction. I got a distinction applied mathematics. I didn't get a distinction in statistics. I know it's horrible, but yeah. So I'm going to advise you all in my videos about how do you choose a course and why, especially, like, I wanted this route instead of taking other routes like health sciences and other stuff, right? So I hope this video explains me, as in, like, how did I get into this course. And yeah, in other videos I'll explain in terms of friendships, how did I make friends, and my study method, how do I study, and how am I able to do content while studying, and those kind of things. Thank you, guys. Yes.